welcome to A Mom for Every Season. My name is Taryn and I am in my laundry room / mudroom today, and I will be sharing with you how we went from like this chaotic mess over here. This right here is pretty much why I desperately wanted a mudroom for our family. To this beautiful little mudroom. We personally only spent $12 on this. And before this we had talked about stacking our washer and dryer, and that would have cost more money because we need a new dryer and knocking out the walls and stuff like that, and it just wasn't in our budget.
To make this as budget friendly as possible, we did repurpose a few things, including this wall mounted hook at the end of our hallway. This is something you do need to purchase. It is definitely something you can get for around $20 or so. The next step is we of course took the closet door off, because really the whole idea is to get the kids to hang up their own stuff and for them to be able to reach it.
Are you the stud finder? Are you the stud?
Yeah.
I do find that it is a very small space, so having the closet door isn't even really practical for our family, and I would rather much have the open space. We repurposed this bench, which was initially in our front entryway, and I've just placed it in the closet here, and it was purchased from Costco for about $40.
The storage bins were purchased at the Dollar Tree, and they were $1.25 each here in Canada. Each of our family members has their own hook and their own bin. And I've just taken little chalk labels and written each of their names on it with a chalk marker. That way, when it is a super rush morning and we're trying to get off to school or work, they know exactly which bin to look in, and they're not looking through one big box or one big bin just to find one little mitten or whatever it is they need to find. $12 on this, and if you included all the repurposed stuff as well, it probably would have been still well within under $100, so definitely budget friendly.
Now we're gonna hang all the coats on there?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many coats do you have on there?
Around 3.
3.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna hang those in the front closet.
No.
No? Okay. Just for one coat. Now if you loved this video, make sure you give it a like, and I would love to know in the comments down below, do you have your own mudroom, and what are your tips and tricks for organizing it and getting your kids to actually put their stuff away? Because really that can be like the hardest part, is moms or dads sometimes too are constantly picking up after their kids and stuff, because I always love finding new ways to make life easier. And if you're brand new, I would love for you to stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you want to keep up to date with any further DIYs or organization tricks and tips and mom hacks. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for now. Catch you on the next video. Bye for now.